guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to update your time zone settings in WordPress. Let's begin. First, go to your WordPress website, click on Login at the top right, and choose Continue with Google to access your dashboards. From your dashboard, I want you to click on Settings right here in the main navigation to access your general site configurations. So since we are already on the general tab or settings, I wanted you to scroll down to the time zone section over here. All right. Open the drop down menu and select the time zone that matches your location. And you also have other options in here like the date format, time format, and other configurations you can choose from here to manage and choose what's best for your style and preferences. But make sure to click on Save Changes in here so we can make sure all of those will be applied immediately. And that's it. That's how you can easily check and change your time zone in WordPress. I hope you found this video very helpful.